What's up, guys? All right, so we got our needle driver in our dominant hand and our pickups in our non-dominant hand. So in this case, my needle driver's in my right hand, and I'm gonna supinate and throw a full pass through both dermal layers right there. And your first throw is gonna be reapproximating the wound. So you see I'm gathering here, which requires some practice, and then you know you've done the first throw right. You see I cross my hands to lay the suture flat, and then the second knot is a set, and the third knot is to secure it. So once again, you're gonna lay your sutures flat, and it's gonna reapproximate the skin edges, and then you're gonna set the knot, and then secure the knot. You're gonna be able to easily see this here as I throw and supinate my motion across both dermal layers, doing a full throw. And then I'm gonna reapproximate the skin edges with my third throw, and it's gonna be, I do a 2-1-1, which is a relatively weak knot, but you can also do a 3-2-1 or a 3-2-1-1-1. You see there? There, it's laying flat. That's a good throw. Then I'm gonna roll towards the wound site, grab it, and I'm gonna set the knot, and then I'm gonna lock the knot or secure the knot with that final throw. So that's a 2-1-1 simple interrupted suture.